Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing another FIRST Lego League Submerged tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to cross the game field and complete the shark delivery near the angler zone. So first, we're going to just run through what our mission strategy for this mission will be. So on the game field, we're going to start in the red home area, the left home area, well, the launch area, and we're going to set up our robot and cross the field while carrying the shark straight across. We're going to use our ultrasonic distance sensor to detect where the wall is, so it'll stop before it hits the wall and gets over here. And then we're going to have another set of code that'll run forward to deliver the shark right near the angler mission. Actually, that should be right there. The angler's number 5, not number 9, into the shark zone, which is this oval. And then it'll just go back to the home area. So for our code today, we're just going to make two simple programs to move forward across the field and then to the shark delivery zone. So for crossing the field, we're going to, under our when program starts, we're just going to grab a start moving block, which is in the movement section right here. And then for right here, we have an event block. So this is for our distance sensor, as I previously mentioned. We're going to just use it to make sure it doesn't hit the wall of the field and stops a little before. So we're going to assign it to port C, which is where our ultrasonic sensor is going to be on our robot. We're going to set it to closer than 6 inches. So once it hits 6 inches and keeps going, it'll stop. And we're going to just put the stop moving block under that. This block right here is under the event tab, and it is this one right here if you need it. For our second set of code, which is the shark delivery, which we're going to deliver in front of the angler fish, we're going to just put up a simple set movement to motors A and B and then set to 50%. Just good practice to set which motors you're doing at the beginning of your program. And then also setting to 50% makes it so that it's a little more precise, your movement. And since we're using the rotations, I'm actually having it stop when it gets to the shipwreck area, and then it's going to come back. And then we'll have the move forward 3 rotations and then back 4. In terms of alignment, your alignment doesn't matter too much on this particular set of missions. However, the key things to look for is when it's crossing the field, make sure there's no obstacles that the robot's going to hit in its path. And then when you do the shark delivery, try to aim for the left-hand side, especially if you're following our game strategy for this series of tutorial videos, because later when we go to do the anglerfish, you're going to want to have the shark be out of the way, more on the left side, not the right side.